Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. What we have here is basically a breakout of the 3-day balance after the sell-off and just around declining 10 and 20-day moving average. So I see potential for the further downside development. And on the hourly time frame, what we had this morning was a tight consolidation, and we had basically a breakout a couple of hours ago. And seems like a strong downside momentum. From my perspective, this is a good idea for today and short term for the further drop towards 155.75, which is where we have multi-week lows from the previous month. So strong selling pressure on the USD and a potential for the further drop. On the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see higher high and higher low week to week perspective. But at this point, I will say this will be a critical and important resistance for Bitcoin. So area around 66,300 is a critical resistance. We had previous swing lows and swing highs on the daily time frame. So if we'll see any rejection or supply, it will be around this level. So pay attention to this zone here. Any kind of the breakout and hold above, there will be a chance for even further rally towards the 72,000 mark. If we see some kind of rejection around this zone and then supply, then we can see rotation back maybe towards 62,000, 61,000 mark. So pay attention to this important resistance level. On the dollar index, we can see that market is trading just around the key support. So we have a 104 area, like a key support short mid-term. And if we see the downside breakout of also this few-day balance, there is a potential for the drop towards 103.14. On a gold market, we can see that gold is a relative strength leader and just building those bull flags around the 50 bar moving average in the hourly. And you can see also here, most recently, that we have another bull flag. And there was a breakout of this multi-month resistance. So potential for definitely for higher prices. We can place some Fibonacci levels. So we can use Fibonacci expansion tool and just place the most recent swing low, swing high, and swing low. And we can see that the next pivot level, just from the most recent, is a 2,565 area. This is based on the daily time frame. Even if we use like this Fibonacci expansion tool and place like here, we have a short-term target of 2,500 plus 2,508. So, and then after that, 2,566. So, upside potential continuation on the gold. Short term, we have a crude oil, which is just around our key pivot level and support area. So if crude can break this, so below and trade below 80.40, there'll be a chance for a drop towards 77.80. If not, there is a chance for rotation back up at least towards 81.70, 81.93 today. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. I can see on the hourly we had a rally and then we had quite a, like a flag at this point here. So there is a potential for some rally at this point, at least towards 81.65 and then potentially 81.93. And on the NASDAQ 100, we can see that the rally that happened this week, we didn't have a power to retest even 20,700. So there is a chance for a further drop towards the 20-day moving average, which is around 20,110. And that'll be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.